Senator Laila De Lima claims Lieutenant Colonel Ferdinand Marcelino was freed to testify against her and that Janet Napoles is not a reliable witness. Roderick Mendoza will tell us why.
Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre confirms that the DOJ is planning to use Lieutenant Colonel Ferdinand Marcelino as a witness against Senator Laila De Lima. Aguirre says Marcelino will testify about his conversation with De Lima when she visited him in his detention cell after his arrest over illegal drug charges. Aguirre adds Marcelino's testimony will support the claim of some believed inmates that De Lima was involved in illicit drug trade. Marcelino will also reveal why PIDEA was left out during the series of raids in Bilibid when De Lima was still Justice Secretary. But De Lima says Marcelino was freed in exchange of his testimony against her.
The deal has been struck. Mag-testify din siya against me. Sayang. I thought he's a man of honor. I thought he's marunong siya manindigan, matapang. But I hope I'm wrong na despite the pressure, hindi pa rin siya magpapagamit.
Marcelino's case was originally dismissed for insufficiency of evidence, but it was filed with the Manila RTC when Aguirre assumed office as Justice Secretary. This Wednesday, the DOJ reversed its own resolution once more and withdrew the case against Marcelino. De Lima also opposes the plan to make Janet Napoles as a state witness in the pork barrel scam. De Lima was the Justice Secretary when the PDAF scam was investigated.
And that's a very dangerous move. That is a very suspicious move again.
De Lima adds that Napoles will not qualify as a state witness and that the Ombudsman has the same view.
Dati na namin yan. Dinetermine na she's not qualified to be a state witness. Kasi kung qualified siya, dapat noon pa naging state witness na siya. She's not at all reliable.
Roderick Mendoza, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.